She had this crazy notion that you were infected by the meteor, and she didn't want me to tell anyone else.
Really? What'd you tell her?
The truth. That you're the most normal guy I've ever met.
Right here.
Thanks, Clark. Perfect.
Once again, fate intervenes and lives are miraculously saved.
Yeah. Paramedic said he died of a heart attack. Bizarre.
What's really bizarre is this. I fired the gun, but the bullet smashed into the cabinet behind me.
Must have ricocheted.
Something very powerful.
The important thing is that you're okay.
Where did Tobias go?
Star City. Oliver Queen is arranging for him to get his cornea transplant. Long enough.